The advice that I would give to my younger self is the advice I give to fellows now every year who are interested in careers in clinical and translational research. That is to first build a strong multidisciplinary clinical practice that provides novel expert care that can serve as a magnet for patients in your community. Second is to be curious and to identify important unanswered questions that you see in the clinic. Third is to develop collaborations with laboratory investigators who can help you answer those questions. Four, write a protocol to address that question using the help of your laboratory colleagues to make the answers more sophisticated. Fifth, enlist colleagues to help you participate in that protocol to get it done. And six, and most importantly, to support the work of your colleagues. Help them advance their careers. If you want to truly make progress in your research, it's very important to share the credit with all the participants so that they can feel like their participation is also being recognized. The key turning points in my career, first one happened very early when I was still finishing fellowship. There was data from the NCI surgery branch showing that interleukin-2 immunotherapy could produce durable responses in patients with metastatic melanoma and kidney cancer. And I was fortunate to be working in a lab at the time that focused on interleukin-2. And that allowed us to apply for a contract from the National Cancer Institute to be part of the extramural IL-2 LAC working group. And so from the very beginning, I had a group of colleagues, an exciting thing to work on, and the ability to see remarkable results in patients and something to help build a practice and a research program around. The second most important part of my career was the move from Tufts Medical Center, or New England Medical Center at that time, across town to Beth Israel Deaconess Medical Center, and eventually be part of the Dana-Farber Harvard Cancer Center. And this gave me a bigger pond to swim in with lots of extra talent to collaborate with, and allowed us to build robust teams in melanoma and kidney cancer that enabled us to apply successfully for large grants, such as SPORE grants. And the third important turning point was the discovery of the immune checkpoints and the development of checkpoint inhibitors, which was able to unlock the powers of the immune system in fighting cancer, and gave the field of immunotherapy a great boost and created great opportunities for investigation and great results. I am truly honored to be selected to become a fellow of the Academy. My whole career has been principally focused on cancer immunotherapy. I've been delighted at the progress that I've witnessed. I've been fortunate to be a part of it. I'm particularly honored to be one of the first clinical translational investigators to be inducted into the Academy, emphasizing the impact immunotherapy research has had, not just on understanding how the immune system interacts with cancer cells, but also on patients' lives.